Good morning, dear students and parents. Welcome back to UKG drawing class. Today, I am here with a few more pictures which I am going to draw and show you all. I am also going to tell you all a few things about them. Listen very carefully, children, and pay attention. Come, let's begin with the first picture. Can you name this picture, children? Yes, very good. It is a parrot. As you can see, it is green in color. It has a red beak. It loves to eat chilies. So come, let's learn how to draw a parrot step by step. First, we will begin with its head. Make a curved line. Come down. Curve your line again. Come right down. And then go down to make its tail. Again curve your line, go up. This is its stomach, neck, and now we'll make its beak, its eye, and this is its wing. This parrot is sitting on a branch, so I am drawing a branch. See, these are the parrot's legs. And we'll draw some curved lines in its wing and some lines on its body. Isn't it easy, children? You need to practice drawing this parrot at home in your copies. You need to color it the same as in the colored picture. Moving on to the next picture now. Can you name this picture, children? Yes, very good. It is a clown. A clown is a very funny person. He makes us laugh. He does funny tricks. So come, let's learn how to draw a clown step by step. You will see his face is round. So you need to take any object from your house which is in a circular shape to trace out his face. Put the circular object on your paper and trace out a circle. Now, I will make his ears. See, nice big ears and a big nose. A clown has a big red nose. And this is the clown's smiling face. Now you need to make crisscross lines for his eyes, as you can see in this picture. Now you need to make his cap. Take a ruler and make a triangle for his cap. Make a circle on top of the triangle. You need to make curved lines to decorate his cap. See, wasn't drawing this clown easy? Children, you all need to practice drawing this picture and color it any color you like. Moving on to the next picture now. Can you name this picture, children? Yes, very good. It is a lady finger. A lady finger is a green vegetable. You must eat green vegetables when your mama asks you to eat them. It is very healthy for your body. So come, let's learn how to draw a lady finger step by step. Put your pencil on your paper. Draw a slanting line upwards. Curve your line. And again draw another slanting line downwards and come right till the bottom. Now you will make its stalk. And you will see there are two lines in the middle. So you need to make two slanting lines. See, your lady finger is ready. You must practice drawing a lady finger and color it the same as you see. It is green, so you need to color it green. Children, I am sure you all have liked all these pictures. You need to practice them in your copies and color them neatly. All these pictures will be uploaded on your school website every Saturday and Sunday. Parents, please help them to draw and color neatly. Thank you.